Welcome back to our channel, everyone. My name is Ahmed.
I'm Azim, and you're watching Business Buffoons. So I just want to say, we opened the clip with a Ferrari, and I spend my day working around very successful business people. And what that means for you guys is because I'm able to be mentored by two very successful business people, one of them who's actually made millions in e-commerce, any of that knowledge that me and Ahmed gain, we're passing on to you guys. There's no gatekeeping in what we're doing here. It's not a zero-sum game. So understand that me and Ahmed are being mentored by very successful people. Me and Ahmed are becoming mentors to you guys. So I just wanted to let you guys know that. But yeah, my update for the day, I'm posting after this video, so I don't have statistics to give you guys, but my posts are doing decent, nothing crazy. And coming up this weekend, I'm gonna film at a new location again. So hopefully we can keep slight increases in the views.
Yeah, so I posted today for my product. Right now I'm sitting at 260 views, but that was as of 44 minutes ago. And that was on TikTok. And then on Instagram, I'm probably at like 4 views. Let's be real. Oh, I'm at 0 views.
We'll figure it out.
I don't know. It takes a minute for Instagram to
How long ago was it posted?
44 minutes ago. It's the same time.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Instagram's a weird game, man. Like it's not giving us traction the way TikTok is. So again, it's a cry for help. If any of you know why, let us know.
Yeah, I legit have videos from like a week ago pop off and get 1,000 views, but the one I posted recently doesn't. So it's really hard to judge. But yeah, that's my update for those two. I'm still trying to come up with a brand name for our second product. I have the video filmed and edited and like ready to post, but I need to recreate all the product accounts so that they give a more branded look, because we really think that's what's going to give us the edge on like other people that are selling that same product. And that's what's going to get people to click our link and follow us.
Yeah, so I'm actually glad you mentioned that, because this is an example of the advice we got from the mentors I just mentioned, right? So everyone always on YouTube talks about branded dropshipping, but what you can do is actually a hybrid of it. So what Ahmed is really trying to focus on this time, which is why it's taking him time to create this page, and this is very important for you guys to implement as well, is don't just make your TikTok page. Like some people say just make a name. Your username doesn't matter. That's not true. You want to come up with a very unique name, and it doesn't even have to include your product. For example, if you have like a tech product you're selling, you can come up with a techie name, right, for your brand. Like think about Apple, Samsung. These names don't have anything to do with the product they're selling. But if you create a brand around it, you create a cool logo, don't spend too much time on it, don't pay a designer to do it, but create a brand around your product. Come up with a name, come up with a website, and incorporate your name in everything you're doing, so that even if you're not planning on selling this brand and exiting, people will trust your product over the other people that you're competing with because they think you're more authentic. Yeah. So that's some direct advice we received from someone who has made millions with e-commerce. So that advice I wanted to pass on to you guys. So that's why it's taking Ahmed to take time. That's why it's taking Ahmed time to develop that product and get going with that page.
And something that Azim might have mentioned, but it probably went over my head, was we're not actually putting our brand name on the product itself. We're still going to be drop shipping it.
Correct.
So yeah, we're not even losing that much money. We're not losing, but we're not investing that much more money into the products themselves, in the sense that we're reaching out to the manufacturer.
The only extra money is the domain, right?
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. The only extra money that we're putting in is the domain to get rid of that like .my Shopify in the link, make it look a little bit more cleaner. So yeah, those are my updates. Azim,
I pretty much gave mine, but yeah, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.